60 to 80 years old. No matter how hungry you are, avoid these 3 foods for breakfast. Did you know that the moment you wake up are absolutely starving, and your stomach is begging you to head straight to the kitchen? Well, if you're over 60 like me, that morning hunger needs to be handled with extra care. Today, we're diving into something crucial that many of us don't talk about enough: the breakfast foods that could be silently affecting our health as we age. Picture this. It's 7 a.m., you're hungry, and those convenient breakfast options are calling your name. But here's something your doctor may not have told you. Some breakfast options that were fine when we were younger can actually be risky for our health now that we're older. According to recent research from the National Institute on Aging, our digestive system becomes more sensitive as we age, processing foods differently than it did in our 40s or 50s. Now I know what you're thinking. Not another video telling me what I can't eat. But stick with me, because what I'm about to share is not about restricting your breakfast joy. Instead, I'm going to reveal 3 specific types of breakfast foods that could be causing those morning discomforts you've been experiencing. More importantly, I'll share delicious, senior-friendly alternatives that will keep both your taste buds and your body happy. Did you know that 68% of adults over 60 experience some form of digestive sensitivity in the morning? That's according to a 2023 study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging. But here's the good news. Switching your breakfast routine can make a world of difference. In the next few minutes, we'll explore 3 major breakfast food categories that deserve a second thought when you're over 60. We'll look at why these foods can be particularly challenging for our bodies to handle first thing in the morning. But don't worry, for each type of food we discuss, I'll share practical, tasty alternatives that are just as satisfying and much better for our mature digestive systems. Before we dive in, grab a pen and paper. You'll want to take notes on this one. We're about to transform your morning routine with knowledge that could help you feel more energetic, reduce digestive discomfort, and start your day on the right foot. And the best part is, these changes are simple to implement and won't require a complete breakfast makeover. Ready to discover which 3 breakfast foods you might want to reconsider? The first breakfast category that deserves a closer look: instant and processed foods. We're talking about those convenient, instant pre-made breakfast sandwiches and those colorful cereal boxes that promise to make our mornings easier. I know how tempting these quick solutions can be, especially when you're over 60 and looking for simplicity in your morning routine. But what if I told you these convenient choices might be the very reason you're feeling less energetic and more uncomfortable as your day progresses? Recent research has revealed that processed breakfast foods can be particularly challenging for older adults, causing significant blood sugar fluctuations that affect us more intensely than younger people. Think about it. Our bodies have changed over the years, and what worked for us in our younger days might not same as well now. These instant breakfast options often contain hidden sugars that can leave us feeling tired and sluggish just hours after eating. It's like giving your body a false start to the day, a quick burst of energy followed by an inevitable crash. As we age, our digestive systems become more particular about what they can process efficiently. Those processed breakfast foods, while convenient, often lack the essential nutrients and fiber our bodies need to function at their best. This can lead to uncomfortable, bloated feelings or digestive issues that many of us experience in the morning. It's not just about immediate discomfort either. Regular consumption of these processed foods can affect our long-term health and vitality. The artificial preservatives and high sodium content commonly found in processed breakfast foods can be problematic for seniors. Many of us have noticed that our bodies have become more sensitive to certain ingredients as we've gotten older. Those mysterious morning headaches or persistent brain fog might actually be connected to what we're choosing for breakfast. Our bodies are simply telling us they need something more natural and nourishing to start the day. But here's the encouraging part. Making better breakfast choices doesn't mean spending hours in the kitchen or giving up on convenience altogether. There are wonderful alternatives that can be just as easy to prepare while being much kinder to our bodies. Consider preparing overnight oats, a simple evening routine that rewards you with a delicious breakfast. Mix whole rolled oats with your choice of milk, add some seeds for extra nutrition, and top with fresh berries in the morning. Not only is this easier on your digestion, but it also provides sustained energy throughout your morning. Another excellent option is what I like to call a power protein breakfast bowl. Start with plain Greek yogurt as your base, add your favorite fresh fruits, and top with a mixture of nuts or seeds. This combination provides sustained energy without the mid-morning crash that often follows processed breakfast foods. The natural proteins and healthy fats keep you satisfied longer, while the fresh fruits provide natural sweetness and essential vitamins your body can actually use effectively. For busy mornings, Try making whole grain breakfast muffins in advance. Use natural sweeteners like mashed bananas and add nuts for extra nutrition. Make them ahead, and you'll have quick, nutritious breakfasts ready for the week. These homemade alternatives might take a bit more initial preparation, but they're truly an investment in your daily well-being. Plus, you'll know exactly what ingredients are going into your breakfast, with no mysterious additives or preservatives to worry about. The beauty of these alternatives lies in their simplicity and how they make you feel. While processed foods might save you a few minutes in the morning, they often leave you feeling tired and hungry well before lunch. In contrast, these wholesome breakfast options provide sustained energy, better digestion, and improved overall well-being throughout your day. Remember, at our age, breakfast isn't just another meal. It's the foundation for our entire day's energy and health. Consider this. Every morning presents a new opportunity to nourish your body properly. By choosing whole, minimally processed breakfast options, you're not just avoiding the negative effects of processed foods, you're actively supporting your health and vitality. These better choices can lead to improved digestion, more stable energy levels, better concentration, and an overall sense of well-being that lasts throughout the day. Making this switch doesn't have to happen all at once. Start small. Perhaps begin by replacing your instant oatmeal with overnight oats just 2 or 3 times a week. Pay attention to how different you feel on those days. Notice the sustained energy, the absence of mid-morning cravings, and the improved digestion. Let these positive changes motivate you to continue making better breakfast choices. Remember, this isn't about depriving yourself or making breakfast complicated. It's about choosing options that truly serve your body's needs at this stage of life. The right breakfast can be your secret weapon for maintaining energy, supporting brain health, and enjoying your active lifestyle well into your golden years. Let's talk about our second breakfast category that needs careful attention: sugary breakfast foods. While that sweet start to the day might feel comforting, those sugar-laden breakfast choices can particularly affect us in our senior years. From those colorful breakfast pastries to sweetened cereals and flavored breakfast drinks, these morning sugar bombs might be sabotaging your health more than you realize. Many of us grew up thinking breakfast pastries were a perfectly normal way to start the day. Danish pastries, frosted donuts, and sweet muffins might bring back nostalgic memories, but our bodies process sugar very differently now. That morning sugar rush can lead to a dramatic energy crash just a few hours later, leaving us feeling tired and foggy-headed when we should be most active. Those breakfast cereals marketed as healthy choices can be particularly deceptive. Even varieties claiming to be whole grain or fortified with vitamins often hide startling amounts of added sugars. That bowl of seemingly innocent cereal can contain as much sugar as a dessert, setting us up for blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day. As we age, these sugar spikes become more challenging for our bodies to handle. Sweet breakfast drinks pose another morning challenge. Store-bought smoothies, flavored coffee drinks, and even many breakfast shake products often contain hidden sugars. While they might seem like a convenient breakfast solution, these beverages can deliver a concentrated dose of sugar that hits our system all at once, potentially triggering inflammation and energy crashes. But here's where it gets interesting. Our taste buds actually change as we age. Many seniors find they don't need as much sweetness to satisfy their cravings. This natural change gives us a perfect opportunity to remake our breakfast choices in a healthier way. Instead of fighting these changes, we can work with them to create more balanced morning meals. Let's talk about better alternatives that can still satisfy that morning sweet tooth. Consider creating your own mixture of plain, unsweetened whole grain cereals, topped with a small handful of fresh berries. The natural sweetness of the fruit provides satisfaction without the sugar overload. You can even add a sprinkle of cinnamon, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. For those who love pastries, try switching to whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado and a light drizzle of honey. You'll still get that touch of sweetness, but it comes packaged with healthy fats and fiber that help slow down sugar absorption. Some seniors find that using sweet spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or vanilla can create the sensation of sweetness without actually adding sugar. And how about those breakfast drinks? Try making your own morning beverages using natural ingredients. A homemade smoothie with leafy greens, a small piece of fruit, and some healthy fats from nuts or seeds can provide sustained energy without the sugar crash. You might be surprised to find that your taste buds adjust to appreciate these more subtle flavors. The timing of sweet foods matters too. If you do enjoy something sweet, having it as part of a balanced breakfast rather than on its own can help minimize its impact on your blood sugar. Including some protein and healthy fats with your morning meal helps slow down sugar absorption and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Let's address the elephant in the room. What about those morning cravings? They're real and they can be powerful. But often what we interpret as a sugar craving might actually be our body's signal for energy. By choosing complex carbohydrates and protein-rich breakfast options, we can satisfy these cravings in a way that supports our health, rather than undermining it. Here's an interesting insight. Morning sugar cravings often diminish when we establish regular meal times and ensure we're getting enough sleep. Many seniors find that better sleep habits naturally lead to better breakfast choices. When we're well rested, we're less likely to reach for sugary foods for a quick energy boost. This isn't about denying yourself pleasure at breakfast. It's about finding new ways to enjoy your morning meal that better serve your body's current needs. Many seniors report feeling more energetic, clearer-headed, and more satisfied throughout the day when they reduce their morning sugar intake. By making these changes gradually, you give your taste buds time to adjust and discover new flavors to enjoy. You might find yourself appreciating the natural sweetness in foods you never noticed before, while those super sweet breakfast foods start to seem less appealing. Moving on to our third and final breakfast category, fatty meats. While many of us grew up with bacon, sausage, and other fatty meats as breakfast staples, our bodies process these foods differently now that we're in our golden years. Our digestive systems become more sensitive with age, and starting the day with heavy fatty meats can lead to discomfort that lasts well into the afternoon. These meats take longer to digest, requiring our bodies to work harder when they're just getting started for the day. Many of us have noticed that greasy breakfast meats don't sit as well as they used to. There's a reason for this. Our gallbladder and liver function naturally changes as we age, making it more challenging to process fatty foods. That familiar discomfort or heaviness after eating a meat-heavy breakfast isn't just in your imagination. It's your body telling you it needs something different. Morning heartburn has become a common companion for many seniors who start their day with fatty meats. These foods can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing stomach acid to flow backward, causing that uncomfortable burning sensation. When this happens first thing in the morning, it can affect your comfort level for the entire day. But here's the encouraging part. You don't have to give up meat at breakfast entirely. The key is making smarter choices about the types of protein you choose and how you prepare them. Lean protein options can provide the satisfaction and nutrition you're looking for without the digestive challenges of fattier cuts. Consider starting your day with lean turkey breast instead of bacon. It provides excellent protein without the excess fat that can slow you down. If you enjoy ham, look for lean, low-sodium varieties and serve them in moderate portions. These alternatives can still give you that satisfying protein boost without overwhelming your digestive system. Fish can be an excellent breakfast protein option that many seniors overlook. A small portion of grilled or baked fish provides heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids along with easily digestible protein. White fish varieties are particularly gentle on the digestive system while still providing the protein needed to start your day strong. For those who enjoy eggs with their breakfast meat, consider combining them with leaner proteins. An egg white omelette with a small portion of lean turkey or chicken can provide a protein-rich breakfast that's easier on your digestion. This combination gives you sustained energy without the heaviness of fatty meats. Let's talk about portion size too. If you really enjoy traditional breakfast meats, consider using them as a flavoring rather than the main component of your meal. A small amount of crumbled turkey bacon can add that familiar flavor you love without overwhelming your system with fat. This approach lets you enjoy the taste while being kinder to your digestion. Timing matters as well. Some seniors find that they can tolerate fatty meats better later in the day when their digestive systems are fully awake. If you really enjoy these foods, consider saving them for lunch or dinner when your body might be better equipped to process them. Plant-based protein alternatives are worth considering for your morning meal. Options like tempeh or legumes can provide satisfying protein without the saturated fat found in fatty meats. Many seniors discover that these alternatives leave them feeling energetic rather than weighed down. Here's something interesting. Many people find that their taste preferences naturally shift away from very fatty foods as they age. Instead of fighting this change, try embracing it as an opportunity to explore new breakfast options that better serve your current needs. You might discover breakfast combinations you enjoy even more than your old favorites. Changing long-standing breakfast habits takes time, and that's okay. Start by making small adjustments, perhaps trying leaner options a few days a week. Pay attention to how different breakfast choices make you feel, not just during the meal, but throughout the morning and into the afternoon. The goal isn't to eliminate all your favorite breakfast foods, but to make choices that help you feel your best as you go about your day. When you choose breakfast proteins that are easier to digest, you're likely to find yourself with more energy and less discomfort, ready to enjoy whatever activities your day brings. Think of your breakfast as setting the tone for your entire day. By being mindful of these 3 food categories and making small, manageable changes, you can transform your mornings from times of potential discomfort to moments of energy and vitality. The key is to make gradual adjustments that work for your lifestyle and preferences. Start by picking just one area to focus on. Maybe begin with swapping out processed foods for whole alternatives, or replacing fatty breakfast meats with leaner options. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in how you feel, and success in one area often motivates changes in others. Remember too that everyone's body is different. Pay attention to how various foods make you feel. Keep a simple morning journal if it helps, noting which breakfasts give you the most energy and which leave you feeling less than your best. This personal awareness is your best guide for making choices that work for you. Before you go, here are some quick and practical essential tips for healthy living after 60. Stay active daily. Find gentle exercises you enjoy, whether it's morning walks, swimming, or chair yoga. Even 15-30 minutes of movement makes a difference. Mind your sleep. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Stay social. Regular social interaction is crucial for mental health. Join community groups, schedule regular calls with family, or participate in local senior activities. Regular checkups. Don't skip your medical appointments. Regular health screenings can catch issues early. Keep your mind sharp. Engage in puzzles, reading, learning new skills, or picking up a new hobby. Mental exercise is just as important as physical. Stay hydrated. Keep water easily accessible throughout your home. Many seniors don't realize they're dehydrated. Practice balance exercises. Simple balance exercises can help prevent falls. Try standing on one foot while holding onto a chair. Maintain connections. Foster relationships with family, friends, and neighbors. A strong support system is vital for emotional well-being. Be mindful. Take time each day for relaxation and stress management. Simple breathing exercises can help reduce anxiety. These habits can significantly improve your quality of life and help maintain independence as you age. I encourage you to share this information with friends and family members in your age group. Having a support system can make these dietary adjustments easier and more enjoyable. You might even want to organize breakfast gatherings where you can explore healthy options together. Let me remind you that these changes don't mean giving up the joy of breakfast. Instead, think of it as an opportunity to discover new favorites that not only taste good, but make you feel great too. Your body will thank you with better digestion, more stable energy levels, and improved overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more senior health and wellness tips. Also, share your own breakfast success stories in the comments below. Your experience might just inspire someone else to make positive changes too. Thank you for watching, and here's to healthier, more energetic mornings. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.